Hi everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping in. Today we are going to do my CVS haul. I talked about it a while back. I was sick, life happened. I want to sit down and do this because I'm tired of the bags being on my floor. As you could see in the thumbnail, hopefully it turned out, I have a lot. And I would say per average, this was anywhere from 65 upward to 85% discount on average. One thing about CVS is that you can stack your coupons. Quickly, I will tell you the best way to do it. I think CVS is probably one of the only drugstores that this is really going to work really well, because I know Rite Aid and Walgreens both, you have to wait to use your coupons. What I normally do is I know via my app what extra care dollars I have. I know, say Milani is spend $10, get $5. Sometimes they're little amounts, sometimes they're ridiculous. I think Physicians Formula was spend $15, get a $10 extra care reward. So I know when I go in that door what I have in dollar amounts to spend. When I did all this shopping, I had gotten $21, I had gotten $40, I got a $57, I got another 20, 10, 15, sometimes right on top of each other. It was a little overwhelming. The most budget-friendly way to do it is to do separate orders. I will go in, and what I'm going to pick up, if it is spend 10, get 5, I will put that for my first order. That is what, say I have $50 in extra care rewards on my app when I go in. So I'm going to pick up enough to get that $5 out of that brand that I was wanting anyway. I'm going to put that on my first order. So then after I have $50 of product, and I'm going to get kickback from that when I check out. So you split that order. That's order number 1. I've had up to 4 orders. So order number 1, it comes to $53.97. So they scan your card. Do you want to use your $50? Yes, please. And then you pay the extra $3.90, whatever. But when your receipt prints, all those things that you got that you're earning extra bucks with, that's going to print. And you use that towards your next set. So you don't have to pay out of pocket that much. Divide your orders. And then usually my last order are the ones that are buy one, get one half price, because I'm not getting anything back with that. Yes, I'm saving money, but I'm using my extra bucks to pay for those. So that's just the way I do it. I hope I didn't just make that too confusing. Pick the products first that you're going to get kickback. And then when there's no more that you're going to get a kickback from, like the spend 20, get 15 or whatever it is, you just keep rotating those because they're going to print off and you can turn around and use them right then and there. So your last order will be your buy one, get one half off. You're still getting something on sale. You're not going to get a kickback, but you're using your extra dollar rewards. If you go too crazy and you don't split your orders, then you're going to overspend, and that's when coupons don't come in handy. You'll see the amount of things I have. You can kind of add it up in your head, the dollar amount, and when I'm done, I'll tell you how much I had in it out of my pocket. It must have been like the wrap up of the rewards, and that's why they had these deals like this, because it was to the point where if it would have printed off one more coupon, I did have one more coupon the other day. I still had a $6 one, and Jack needed to go to town to get something, and I said, please go to CVS. Please use this because there's nothing there I want. The first couple coupons that I got, one was 20, one was 30. I just got some things that I had either wanted to try, wanted to get backups of, and that was it. When they kept coming in and the amounts were huge, one shopping trip alone, just in 2 extra cash, extra dollar rewards, I forget what they're called, I had $75 in free product. Not counting the so much off of this brand, the so much off of this brand. So they have that on the app, and then you can still turn around and get, like if it's spend $10, get $5, you can still use that. All their coupons go together. I decided, when I had all that extra money though, I decided I wanted to do a one brand face. So I knew pretty much what I had here already, and I just got the odds and ends from the brands to do the one brand face for several different brands. So, and I will tell you, it also made me realize what brands I really like. I had to buy nothing from L'Oreal, and I had to buy nothing from Maybelline, and I only had to buy a couple things from Physicians Formula, so that wasn't bad. I stocked up on these. I really do enjoy these mascaras. The Milani, highly rated. I like this a lot, but this one I think is my favorite. It's the Most Wanted. These keep your lashes from getting hard and crunchy, which is really good, because if it's hard and crunchy, it's probably going to break. It doesn't smear, it doesn't go anywhere. These are really nice mascaras. So I grabbed some as backup. I had wanted to try this for a while. This is the Physicians Formula Plump Potion. Non-irritating, long-lasting shine, 3 times the effect. So we will give this a try. And they got the Milani bronzers in. They are their Silky Matte Bronzers. I picked up 02 Sun Kiss, 01 Sun Light, and 03 Sun Tan. None of them are really incredibly dark. And then Kathy, anybody that I mention, I will link down below. She talked about how much she loves these L'Oreal True Match blushes. So I picked up 4. I picked up Innocent Flush, Bare Honey, Baby Blossom, and Apricot Kiss. I think this is the one I heard Mary talk about, Miss Glitzy Fritzy. I will also link her down below. I think this is the one that she said she liked to use as a touch-up, because it has a sunscreen. The Physicians, it says new, maybe it's in a different container. I don't know if I got the right one. This is the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Loose Powder. Oh no, I bet this isn't the right one, because I think the one she talked about was a foundation, and this just says loose powder. But I'll still give it a go. It has a SPF of 16. That's kind of a weird SPF. I picked up an LA Girl Super Bright eyeliner. I have really been into putting a cream color on my lower waterline. Once again, Miss Kathy was talking about how much she enjoys the LA Girl lip liners. Now, I love their Ultimate, but she said that the ones that you sharpen, she likes even better. So I wanted to give those a try. This one is in Blushing. This one is Sugar and Spice. Right here. I really do enjoy the Wet n Wild contour sticks. These are so easy to use. They blend in so nicely. I really do like these. So I grabbed 3. These are really nice. They blend in so nicely. And then I picked up a blush. This is in the color Peach Bums. Well, that is going to be so pretty. See how nicely those blend? It just takes a tiny bit. You blend that right in. It's gorgeous. You wouldn't need a highlight. This would be a really nice quick makeup look. LA Girl Gloss Topper. I was really intrigued by that, and that everybody needs a clear gloss topper every now and then. Revlon Plumping Lip Creams. I've heard several people say that they really enjoy these, so I thought I would give them a go. I have 505 in Apricot Silk, which is this peachy one, and then 540 in Velvet Mink. Okay, that was one bag down. I grabbed a Burt's Bees All Glow. This is in 1250 Sands. I'll put it on the side right here. That is gorgeous. This is one that you can do on your cheeks or your lips. They had lashes on sale. I picked up 2 of the Kiss Page Boy. These blowout lashes are really pretty. They're very realistic looking, and then one Pomodoro. I thought that was really, really pretty. I didn't know that Duo now has a quick set. So I'm going to compare this to the Tartist because you don't have to wait. When you use the Tartist, you don't have to wait to set it. You can just do it and apply. Dries clear, and there is no formaldehyde or anything in it anymore. So I used to own these, and I know I used to enjoy them. Wanted to try them again, especially doing a brand face. I got Porcelain, which they'd never had one that light before, and I got Light Tan. If I need to mix them, depending on the phase of my tan, then I can do so. And then I also picked up the L'Oreal True Match Lumi, 2 Revlon Lippies. These are the Hyper Matte ones. These with the silver lid just say matte, and these say Hyper Matte. So maybe it's a soft matte, I'm not really sure. I'm going to have to speed it up because my camera keeps overheating. See, this is 01 Make It Last Setting Powder from Milani. This is in light to medium. e.l.f. finishing powder. This is light to medium also. This is beautiful. Y'all, it feels like silk. It's beautiful on the skin. I love this powder. A NYX Epic Ink Liner. I don't think I've ever tried this, so I'm excited to give it a try. Milani's new brow pencil. This is Stay Put Brow Sculpting Pencil. It is not the micro. It is the other, like the little slant one, and it claims to be 16-hour wear, so we'll definitely give that a try. A Neutrogena Gel Eyeliner. I know I haven't tried this. I wonder how black it truly is. I hate it when it says black eyeliner and then it's like gray. If I wanted gray, I would have gray. Black, nice. I'm excited to give that one a try. Milani Retouch Concealer. I think I had this at one time. I do not any longer have it. I did try their new one out with the doe foot. It was horrible under my eyes. Almost as bad as the one I'm wearing today. That made me angry. e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. I don't know if I've tried that or not. The e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I love the Revlon one. This is Revlon Candid Powder. It's supposed to be anti-pollutant setting powder. And it looks so finely milled. For NYX, I got the HD Studio Finishing Powder. It's white, so I will have to be very careful with that. Neutrogena Nourishing Brow Pencil. It's a Brow 3D. Got mine in brown. A Revlon eyeshadow palette. So I got this little guy in these cute little collars. I picked up 2 of the Rimmel Brow This Way. I love. Has a nice little spoolie, and it is also like a little slant tip. I love this brow pencil. Really good. So that must have been one of my backup journeys. And then I picked up these 2 blushes. I had previously purchased Revlon powder blushes, and I actually returned them because there was nothing. There was no pigmentation there, so I thought I would give their blush sticks a try. I needed a mascara from Physicians Formula. This is the Killer Curves mascara. It sounded the most promising. I got a Wet n Wild eyeliner. I used to use this a lot and I liked it. Wet n Wild concealer. I think this was okay. I really don't remember. Actually, I got 2 of them. And a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I didn't remember having a CoverGirl powder to use when I did that brand face. And I needed eyeshadow from Physicians Formula because that better one, no, it's gone. So I got this one. This one is the rose one. I thought it was the prettiest. Neutrogena powder foundation. Michelle, Cinema Girl Beauty, loves that. Got an LA Girl Pro Setting Spray. when I do that one. And I got a Wet n Wild coconut setting spray. Now I have used the regular Wet n Wild and I've used the matte, and I like them both. This I love, the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, beautiful. And the CoverGirl setting spray. Any more? Sure. Milani setting spray. This is their matte 16-hour wear. So we will see. So now you're seeing some of the one brand faces that I'm going to be doing. This is the LA Girl Double D mascara. I needed a Revlon mascara, and I think I tried this one and I didn't like it, but I didn't get the waterproof. So I'm going to try the waterproof. This is their Volumizing 100% volumized lashes. Let's see. We will check that out. Ooh, I got another one of my, I forgot half the stuff I got. I got another Revlon Prime Pore Minimizer. This is the stuff, y'all. I'm telling you, if you have trouble with your pores, you don't want to go to Sephora or Nordstrom or somewhere expensive and drop the bucks for a lot. I think this is around the $12, $13 mark. And it's good. It's good. Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. Boy, this one hurt. This thing was $16. If I wouldn't have had the coupon, y'all, I probably wouldn't have gotten it. And I got it in light pale. But this is their Simply Ageless Instant Fix. Oh, it's overheating. I got an LA Girl High Definition Primer. I also got an LA Girl eyeshadow palette. This one is in Hypnotize, real pretty wine and burgundy colors. I got LA Girl blush in just Radiant and just Playful. I got a CoverGirl blush. This one is in Peach Gilt. Real pretty. I got a Neutrogena Shine Control Primer, NYX Finishing Powder, and this is in Banana. LA Girl Pro Face. This is their matte press powder. I've used this before and I really did enjoy it. I got a Revlon concealer, and I got a Worth the Hype mascara by NYX. So y'all know this was a few $100s worth of product. I ended up paying just barely $80 for all this. Not at one time. Different shopping trips. So stack those coupons. The app, seriously, the app, you get so many extra coupons, and I think it builds your points quicker also. So if you have any other questions, let me know. I'll answer them in a Get Ready With Me, because I'm going to be doing a lot of those. Or we can just sit down and chat about, you know, saving money using coupons, because I think that is the way to go. Why pay full price when you don't have to? I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.